Hello everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of the new Note 4 Pro, the most awaited phone so far in the Infinix series. This phone has got a 32GB ROM and a 3GB RAM. Okay, and the speciality of this phone is got an X pen. It's got a pen and a smart cover to do with the pen. So that's how the box looks like. It's very huge. One thing I should let you know, guys, is whenever you buy a phone, always look at this serial number here, the first two ones, and send a message to 1555. Write a blank message to 1555, and then in the message, in the text of the message, you put these IME numbers. So you will receive a confirmation from the telecom industry that this particular phone is the Infinix x571 Note 4 Pro. If the mobile phone is a fake device, you will be told that this device is not registered. Kindly buy a registered device from an authorized dealer. So well, let's go ahead and open this. There's the phone there, and that's the smart cover and the X pen. You can keep that one out. The phone, let's go through the specs one more time so that we can be clear. The flash is blocking this thing. Okay, so as you can see, it supports fast charging as usual. Now there's a difference between fast charging and flash charging. Guys, you should know that. What Samsung offers in their phones and what other phones offer, it's fast charging, not flash charging. Flash charging basically is ×4 the normal speed. Okay, it's got a 5.7-inch FHD screen and 32GB ROM, 3GB RAM, 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera. The fingerprint scanner is at the front, as in the other phones where it's at the back. Then gyroscope sensor. The battery has been increased. The Note 4 has got a battery of 4000. This one has got a battery of 4500 megaamperes. The processor, unfortunately, they've put the same processor of 1.3 Octa-core, and an XOS has been upgraded. They've got an Android 7.0 Nougat plus the X pen. We're going to see what the X pen does later on. But for now, let's open up the phone and see how it looks like. Okay. Yes. This is how it is. This is the gold version, and the back is the gold. I hope there's proper visibility because I'm recording this video at night. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Always when people buy their phones, they don't check about the glass protector. So at Khaira Ummah here, we really advise and we always offer them for free so that your screen is protected, because if the screen breaks or cracks, you're gonna have to spend another 5,000 or 6,000 just to replace it. So let's also teach you how to install a glass protector on this mobile. Remove the top layer. You remove the skin of the glass protector and just place it carefully on top. Okay, try not to miss the sensors. Once you place it, that's when you press up here. Okay, now just messed up. Yep, and there we go. See, it has been fit very easily. Many people get a problem while fitting glass protectors and get these bubbles here and there. So let's switch it on. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for now so that we can get to the menu easily. Or let's just, while it's booting, we can look at the flip cover. That's the pen there. Quite light. It's better than the previous models. I don't want to mention the name, but those pens are like really low quality stuff. This is some nice stuff here. I've already tested another phone and it's really cool, you know, with the calibration and stuff like that. This thing goes in the case there where it gets charged and get connected to the phone. This is the case, how it looks like. Okay. I'm setting it up here very fast. This is the case. That's where the phone goes. That's where the pen goes. So you can just connect the pen for now, so that later on when we put the phone, we can. Yikes! Okay, done. Let's set this up very fast. Look at the processing speed, okay? You can see this? Yeah? Right. I'm just pressing anything. I'm going to reset you later on. So, see the screen? It's a FHD, full high definition screen. It's really amazing. It's a little something we've never seen before. Well, this is how the interface looks like in the new Android version 7.0. Let's see how it does with the case. Okay, just slip it in. Let's come back on the window. Once you slip it in, it's going to detect the pen. See it there? That's the logo for the pen. So you can remove the pen now. Okay. And voila, we've got the pen interface up and down. I'm left-handed, so let's just. Okay. You can see? Yeah. Well, you can paint. Alright, go on. I'm not used to drawing on stuff like that, so. Oh, my handwriting is much better. Okay, so basically it does work. So before even I've touched, it's already select itself. Yeah, there's so many things you can do with the pen. You can, wow man, the possibilities are endless. You can make pictures and like write on the screen. Go to the menu. You can add shortcuts. Do whatever you want here, so they can. If you want to access an app very fast, I will have calendar there. Whenever you want to just go to calendar and that's it. Oh man, this is awesome. Well, can I write here? Oh, I have to put this one. Okay, I guess I can't write it that way. What about this? Maybe. Oh, wow. You guys see that? That is awesome. Cool. What the? Alright. Let's go back to calendar. Let's see what we saved here. Oh, it's got saved like an image. Basically, you can use the pen to navigate whatever. It's best works for those people who are always busy on the call and sometimes they want to note down something. So this is why the pen is there. For those guys who are asking why would someone buy a phone without a pen, well, those are the users of the pen. Alright, so let's slip it back in. Okay, the phone is heavy, by the way. It's the what do you call this, 4500 mAh battery. It's quite heavy, so Let's remove it. Why is it not coming out? Okay. Get it out. Let's close this. Okay. You can see. Cool. So, what do you want to test? Oh yeah. This is where the SD card goes. Now, the difference between this one and the Note 4, the normal one, is this one has got a metallic casing. The Note 4 has got a plastic one. Okay. SIM card, dual SIM goes in here. This is the connector for the pen. Wow, man, the screen is just amazing. Look at the colors. If you can see the colors. Can't touch the camera. The selfie. Just looking at the camera opposite. Oopsie. So yeah. What else? I don't want to test the fingerprint anymore. Let's look at the menu interface. Basically that's that. It's just a normal phone. Once you add your stuff, then you can. Oh, what's this? Duo. Oh, video calling. A new video calling app. Anyways, guys, so that's that for you for the Note 4 Pro. As I said, the new features in this one, apart from the old one, is that the battery has been increased, the RAM has been increased to 3 GB RAM, the ROM has been increased to 32 GB ROM. Alright, and not to forget the X Pen. Those are basically the features. Otherwise, if you want to go for the normal Note 4, let me just show you how that one looks like. The normal one, as you can see, it's got everything is the same screen, same processor, same cameras, alright, and what is it? Yeah, the ROM is 16 GB and the RAM is 2 GB RAM, while the battery is 4300. Not a big difference, 200 megaamperes. Otherwise, this one is much lighter when it comes to the weight of this phone, alright. And I don't want to open this one already. There's another video for that. So yes, guys, this one is currently right now the price is going at 19,500 with the X Pen. When they release the version without the X Pen, they're gonna make it at the price of 17,500. So if you want, you can grab yours right away, or you can wait another maybe 8 to 10 months for the prices to drop before it completely phases out of the market. And we can say this is the second best phone currently so far in the Infinix series. The first one being 04 Plus, the 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB ROM. So let's reset this phone back to what it was. Oh, it's really fast, man. 3 GB RAM is fast. Chipset.